Namaskaram. Let us work out one more output question from random module. Question: what possible outputs are expected to be displayed on screen at the time of execution of the program from the following code? Also specify the maximum values that can be assigned to each of the variables from and to. Program code and options. Okay, first we will find out the maximum values for from and to. From equal to random dot randint of 1, 3 and to equal to random dot randint of 2, 4. Randint function will generate and return random numbers between upper and lower limits, both values included. So for the variable from, the range is 1, 3, minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 3. Then for 2, lower limit is 2 and upper limit is 4. So the minimum value is 2 and the maximum value is 4. Our question is find out the maximum values for from and to. Maximum value of from is 3 and maximum value of 2 is 4. It is very simple and 1 mark is for finding out these maximum values and minimum values. So don't miss it. Next we will find out the possible outputs from these options. Choosing the correct option from the given options is little bit tricky, and also in some cases just by using common sense you can find out the answer. See here itself, for k in range from, 2 plus 1. So the minimum value that can be assigned for the variable k is 1 and the maximum value is 4. Then see the values in this list. AR equal to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Index also given here. Then what is to be printed? Print AR of k. What will be the minimum value of AR of k? That is when the value of from is 1 from 30 onwards. Then what is the maximum value of AR of k? It is AR of 4, that is 60. So the values in our output will be from 30 to 60. Then see the options. See the first one. It starts from 20. 20 will not come in our output. So eliminate the first option. Then what about the options 3 and 4? In both these options 70 is included. See. But 70 will not be there in our output because 70 is at index 5. So we can eliminate these two also. Then what will be our answer? Option 2. Check whether it is possible. 30 hash, 40 hash, 50 hash. Starting from index 1 to index 3. The value of from can be 1 and the value of 2 can be 3. So this option is possible. Then what if 60 here instead of 70 in fourth option? 40, 50, 60. Yes. The value of from can be 2 and the value of 2 can be 4. So 40 hash, 50 hash, 60 dash also possible. Most of the questions you can answer like this, but you have to know how to find out all the possible combinations. First possible output, when from is 1 and 2 is 2. 1, 2. That is 30 hash, 40 hash. The next one is 1, 3. That is 30 hash, 40 hash, 50 hash. Then 1, 4. That is 30 hash, 40 hash, 50 hash, 60 hash. Okay. Then go for when the value from is 2. First one 2 to 2. What will be the output? 40 hash. Then 2 to 3. 40 hash, 50 hash. Then 2 to 4. 40 hash, 50 hash, 60 hash. Then we will go for when the value of from is 3. First one, when the value of from is 3 and 2 is 2. Our for loop will not execute for these values. So we will not get any output. Then go for 3 to 3. What we will get? 50 hash. Then 3 to 4. 50 hash, 60 hash. So these are the possible outcomes that you can expect from this program. I think it is clear to you now. Then try to solve more and more sample questions just by changing the values. And also you can change the upper and lower limit for this randint. You can use randrange function instead of randint. You can change the range of for loop and the statements inside the for loop. Then try to solve.